Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you how to use Amazon Prime Video X-ray feature. Now, first of all, go ahead and download your application, then open it. Now, once you open it, go ahead and sign into your account. However, I won't be able to sign in because it is not available in my region, but once you sign into your account, go ahead and stream any video. Now, once you are streaming, tap the screen once while the video is playing or tilt your phone to portrait mode. Then you can tap View All in the top left to expand the full list of cast and scenes, and that is how you can access the X-ray mode on your device. Now, however, if you are on web browser, what you can do is move your mouse over the player. The X-ray information will appear in the top left corner of the video window. That is it, guys. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.